Let me buy into and then I will come back to you. He was like, no, please, I'm not going to get into you. And then we can tell her. 200. So, how can you try he's busy showing me this 200 already. Yeah, he was like, please go to Pep. I don't remember her name. Please go call Zandi for some lady what it dreads. Now I'm like, and then Kito for 50 rand. 200 and some pontayo. Ganga 200 Kazamaya Pep. How can you feel like a Pep? Like I can give it about Dom. Zandi, what he dreads. They were like, Zandi? Yeah, there's no Zandi. What he dreads, there's no Zandi. I'm like, yo, say John Guaco farmers. And distance farmers and then Pep that other side. Yeah. So I had to come back, you know. Go into the old. I came born. I put 200 is fake. Yo. He took my 50 rand and for 200 they're fake. So that's how Babylon.
Welcome to the first episode of Ladies Chat.
Hello guys, this is our first episode. The name of the show is Ladies Chat. I'm with my co-host Sisili Siho.
Hi guys, welcome to our first episode. I'm happy to be here. Make prepare the roti.
King the roti.
Oh, it's you just mix flour, sugar, and a pinch of salt with water, warm water, and then you make it flat, and then we can pan. Your pan doesn't have to have too much oil. You just put a teaspoon of oil.
Okay.
And then it's very nice.
Mina ni mtsongani. Kumbe it dombolo.
Karele dombolo. How we mix it? We mix a karele dombolo. But you don't add yeast.
Okay. King ki pizza king.
Indian people.
Yeah,
it's so nice. It's so nice, and you can see what you eat.
Oh, okay.
So, what did you have for breakfast then?
Like Papa all the way.
Like the whole day.
The whole day. Papa.
Like what's what say pay papa or papa? Yeah.
Papa, like always.
Papa. Yeah.
Buroto. Yeah. But it's not for me.
You prefer a papa.
You prefer a papa.
Okay. So maybe kaltat. Uja papa ikai. I too, which is in the morning and for supper, sorry.
Late. We're saying gaja porridge nyana, soft porridge.
Yeah.
Then kabo 11 kija papa.
Oh.
Kija papa. Like go higher. Try to mama had to saying ba apia papa. That's why I get to papa. That's beba like abangarna mali. Shaba shikwa.
Oh.
So that's why I get to papa. Yeah. I get to go hen. Untiele papa.
I want the food.
Mistake. Chakalaganya. Not too much.
Oh, ujachilis. Muto janchilis. Lena, kairata papa. Kaija mara not as much as when we use. When I too much.
So anyway, it's only guys call.
Okay, high school kileko ma foreign patlele. And then I moved to Alexander. Kaludula ko Alexander kaya college.
Okay.
Yeah, I studied beauty, hair care and cosmetology.
It means you can make up.
Born.
straight.
Honest.
Oh, okay. Oh, settling to Otlobon Sabat. Oh, I want makeup. Pelan makeup. I want makeup.
Yeah.
Okay, I got makeup.
The thing is, I say it and to say like.
So I want to say what I get in high school.
I want to know. I can't start to work at the school. Okay. Okay, go guy.
Can look for Pambeta.
Okay.
Pambeta, then I went to UT.
Yeah.
Then I did my diploma.
Okay.
In public management.
Okay.
Then Kifediteka 2016. Yeah. Key qualification 18
Oh, so after mo was
yeah, get before I graduate, I did internship.
Yeah.
Go subs, go Loroco.
Okay. How was it?
It was nice. Very, very handy. Then Cafeta. Then Caverca Costarateng. What did you tell the funeral cover?
Insurance.
Insurance. Yo. Hello, mama. Hello. Yo. Barshaka bomb.
Yo.
Hey. Unali Capitec. Unali Absa.
Never join. Okay. Uba join is when I have a to approach or when. Like how? What is your reaction? Whatever you do, say some insurance again.
I act nice because I've been there.
Because you've been there.
Yeah, I've been there. Because yeah, but abanya I could join.
Good point.
And especially because that I think because banahanauri direct. I know unali scam.
Yeah, unali scam and all.
Then after that, I went to retail.
Yeah.
Mr. Price as a cashier.
Like business.
I like I get cashier.
Yeah.
Next.
Yeah, I can understand. No, I thought maybe you have another business.
No, Becky cashier, mola, I accept it. Mr. Price.
So Kim says your thing over and okay, comfortable.
Sure, office job.
What office job?
Look at
this.
Do
you know how Namuto also complaining comes like everybody are complaining. Even if Umutodula Mofas you have physical computer, still okay,
we are people forever complaining. It's normal.
Yeah.
It's a norm.
So kill about scam.
Nah.
Okay. Nakina the story, ne? I was still young, man. Mama gangumile ko morning. She gave me 50 rand to go pharmacy to get her some painkillers, I think. So, how can I say like I'm a shopper? There is this guy like Kinta, the omkhulu. What's like on hey, it's like one. Kila bona ke mtho mkhulu wa mpitsa. I went to him. A re monna ke kopa room. Ke reke ntho e bang romileng. Ke ba moleng. Let me buy ntho e bang romileng yona and then I will come back to you. He was like, no, please, nna go rekele ntho e o batlang go rekele o ba romileng yona and then o tla nthola we. Mo tsogong o tswere 200. So, how can you try is busy showing me this 200 already? Yeah, he was like, please go to Pep. I don't remember her name. Please go call Zandi for some lady what it dreads. Now I'm like, and then I 50 rand. 200 and some pontayo. Ganga 200 Kazamaya Pep. How can you feel like a pep? Like I can give it about Dom. Zandi, what he dreads. They were like, Zandi? Yeah, there's no Zandi. What he dreads, there's no Zandi. I'm like, yo, se ke khutlela jwanong kwa ko pharmacy and ke distance pharmacy e mo ha o kena ka menyako and then PEP e that other side. So I had to come back ke khutla go ntate o ha ke a ke mo bone ha I ke phuthulla 200 is fake. He took my 50 rand and for 200 they are fake. So that's how Babylon Bank scam marketing.
Yeah. That woman's
too much, eh? Too much.
Have you ever been in a toxic relationship?
No. I have never.
You've never.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But I know people who have been in a toxic relationship. My aunt was in a very toxic relationship where it got to a point where she got stabbed like brutally.
Me too.
Have you been?
Yes, in a toxic relationship. My boyfriend was forever cheating.
Yo.
Always saying sorry. But see, always calling.
This is toxic, and then what am I?
It didn't give me like attention.
Yeah.
Attention or there's something fishing.
Yeah, if I offer attention, you no more of attention, coach.
Phone, taxi. If in Naki phone, I got phone. I give it to sorry why or Rihanna at time.
Yo, Nasabetamto. Nasabet. That's night time.
It's not a time.
That's so.
Mara a time you had that on a leon.
Yeah.
I regard that or I chat on a leon. Maria Fonella Nancha.
How unalia that your chatter? What chatter?
No, I chatted in or chattel what were high.
You just
give an example in Ella Enyan.
Yeah. Toti.
Porpor, Gagastonga, Porpor, Fonella Enyan.
So I want to ride
more.
What am I? Maranasa sharp.
That's sharp. It's just that attention.
Okay. Another thing, but never abusive, like Bashapam Basad. What do you think, Kayona, to do?
It's not good because, but like la honore until you reach I could say conclusion or like you have a common like I could say really something they
understand that.
It's not important, like it's not.
Do you know how basadi ba ileng hore ba abuse bana like ba shapa bana?
Yeah, get see, but I never express it like ke bona motho a abuse monna a say bona mara ke a utla ka yona hore
and ntho e botlhoko gore ha ba lo tshwarisa when they go to the police station ba lo reporta gore my wife one sharp or my girlfriend one sharp, iba laughing stock, they become laughing stocks because like bamakana le bona gore ha ke mang o shapang monna like and like it ain't to ya etsagala
mara like as a police officer like they have to take you serious because it's a go police station ulele maka. There's no way
they have to take you serious because ki ba ikai banna ba ileng gore ba bulaile ke basadi
and the most of them ba committed suicide because honore like abulele le batho because ba tloetsang ba tlo
motshega o ka shatwa ke mosadi moga
nna le batho ba jwang.
Yeah, so o na le ntho ba tla go bua eng What's your best childhood memory? You don't remember? Okay.
Kikure papa vandrekela how ya ko juice how ya ko mahai
Yeah.
babuya le di sweets
Yeah.
zimba na skekan biscuits
Yeah.
ere skekan
Mm.
abuya le briefcase allocate di coin
Yo.
asa di counter
Yeah.
yo
Ke tsa lona.
nna ke last born ba fana
E batla how?
tsaka be ke reka tot and tot
Yo.
ya rek
Yeah.
be ba sang countelo re ba mfa bokae
Yeah.
ko sekolong
Yeah.
ke carry on be ke tšea ko briefcase ya ko sekolong so I was spoiled.
Yeah.
I can say I was spoiled.
No, let's put it in.
Mm.
That's the best to me. Nah. Okay, when how do I papa how? Nah, I have never met him, my father. Ne?
So,
But I know I'm alright with
okay.
it. I cannot stress because my mom has been there. My mom is my father.
just
Do you
everything.
understand? Like she's my world. Cause I have never I feel that space. Sorry, I cannot papa. Kila bona. Because my mom was always there. Yeah. Ke bona ho ha o tshase makeup una nang ka banyana ba tshasa makeup. I will tshase or it's just for
No, I get right.
are you right makeup like totally?
Mm.
Is there any reason?
Ke rata natural beauty ya
yeah
like
yeah
ke bona how tsatsa makeup
yeah.
ikare aswena nyana kare ke motho mongwe that's why ke sa irata.
Okay, so when I or makeup it's about different.
Yeah, baba different.
So una no re batho ba tshasang makeup ba ba
No,
yeah.
it's just that oh, it's not that they look bad. It's just that banyaka ba pila u fitisisa.
Oh, kinto we true.
Eh.
No, I think by enhance like their beauty. Like there's nothing wrong with makeup. I love makeup. Kilobon. Mara ke adula ke sa utshasa makeup. Ki am sebetsing ke sa utshasa makeup. Like ko utshasa yo once after a while.
Or
Ha ke ditse go ntlong ha ke tshasa makeup, ha ke am sebetsing ha ke tshasa makeup. Yeah.
ana ke rata me.
I really like it.
Ke right this so.
And umuntu by the way.
Thank you.
Yes.
Mara ke tlo izama. Bona re ke jang ha ke
Yeah.
le tona le ntho.
Le makeup.
Le makeup.
Okay.
Entana. Ibone ntho ba teng flu
Ekening no.
barekeng se a tsamaya se tswana
Yeah.
se a tsamaya se a baleya
Ah, bula ni tata ka ntsogonya.
mkhuhlwane ke flu mkhuhlwane lowu nga kona sweswi yo bu too much ingari ko ba inani ko ba covid u swi vonini
Akere ba re ke mini covid.
ke mini covid
Yeah. Ba e bitsa jwalo.
so happy
E ne tshwere. Ke tsa ko yes.
really jang be
Yo, o bana like whole body nje masapo how the joints. Di ba very painful. And you try for how about 3 days? It's 3 days well.
so
You start recovering after 3 days.
wa khohlela or
Wa khohlola, runny nose, wa sweater. It's bad. E buhlungu like how khona le taste dijo.
okay so after that u vaccinated
Ke vaccinated before like nakwe ba bua ka vaccination.
oh
Yes,
so
I have. And the other thing, after vaccination I have never felt like before.
yeah
So my body feels different. Different how? I always have back pains, which I never had before vaccination. So I think they did something to us.
You were saying you vaccinated before
for COVID.
You were caught by COVID.
No, I never had COVID. This flu, the famous flu that's running through now.
This the latest one.
The mini COVID.
The mini COVID.
Yes.
Okay.
So do you see any importance of vaccinating?
I don't see any importance of vaccinating, and I don't want to vaccinate. If you want to vaccinate on your own risk. Me, no.
I did vaccinate, but
what one?
I don't feel the same.
Oh,
I think they put us
it.
some devices. I don't know, but it's something different.
So
I can't feel it.
Oh.
But if Kibaya coin him, 1 rand, 2 rand, yes stick. Yes stick.
If we operate, it's practical.
I can't.
You can't.
Next time. And remember how, but after this vaccination, how many people actually died from it? Bariecta, otherwise.
And they were digging graves in 2020.
Hello.
Hey, South Africa. And then the grave itself, where the
But again,
all of them.
Yeah. What if they stopped digging graves because of they reached their target, or and now we are right? Maybe never have full population, I might say. Remember, 2020, how you spent no if you go there or flu,
even if it was not
if
COVID,
you have headache, it's flu.
It's COVID. If you get some training, go clinic,
okay. Yeah.
Then go doctor, doctor or nurse.
Yeah,
Yo, I get to COVID,
but on COVID.
Hey, I could caution. So COVID, it's an ajong.
Wow.
Hona, Bavana in trailer Ella. Bavana trailer Ella, about Kenya, about so. I get the word is for
temperature. Yeah, killed. I think killed.
In trailer,
yeah.
High. In trailer, how
temperature are we high?
It was not high. They go fast.
Yeah. So why it's after more? What hit the COVID?
No, high.
Because when you
something
okay.
fishing. Or Nasa Ella is not well trained or what? I get say Mara. Dilotele vedisa kopan. It's a copan.
I mean, how on a fever, on a next flu to ever was for get COVID.
It's working.
Yes.
Okay,
guys. We are going to play a game. Never have I ever game. My friend. Literally. Okay, let's start. Are you ready, Tuli?
I'm born ready, my friend.
Yes, girl. I love that. Okay, first question. Never have I ever skipped paying inside the tax. I never. I have not. Okay. Second question. Never have I ever stole something at home and blame it on others.
I have.
Go first.
Biadi vishishawa shapap and the shower net and
Yeah.
make it less show Satatag. Make it fancy saka. Karki abutaka or jile.
Yo, abuti nalkai. Nalkai abuti obuaga.
Batwile. Kara asina ki abutaka. Jile.
Okay. Naki the same. Kadi Jovel. So you know how Safeza Dijota how Busi Utadija maybe I'll cook a skolo or just say. So my cousin Nestle Jota I go freezing. I got home early to go Koskolo. I give it like a Jota. Over to work him was Jota. I had to blame it on my other cousin, Wamshiman. Kara said
and the Carabao.
Carabo I said so a fellow how long to you die? Okay. Okay, never have I ever bunked class.
I like banking the class.
I have. Okay, let me go first. Nah, I did not bunk a class. I bunked school as a whole. Because in the morning, okay, we were supposed to go to school. I meet with my friends, the one I work with, were with to school. Yeah, we were, no guys, hi, I just got school today. And then go habo omone no sala husna mutko ha. So we went there, it's a house party. Like house party is serious. And then we got into trouble because no, there's a yeah, but we are in trouble. Okay,
yes, so like can you go understand or upankile joan or you like a house party? Then
no, we went there to chill because we are school. Oh, one tall
a house party during the day.
During the day, yes. Kitula go hide your uniform going to school. Working there, working there. The chumzaka kids and then replana. Hona mo we are not going to school. And then go home.
Never someone into homework. That's why. And the deputy principal are tola are crea ko kontle. I mean, har kera kontle. Yo, are and then Lina because it was during Batuba coded classing.
Yeah,
during Batuba they were learning inside the classes. So Arbutisa are why
not let's go classing, but I'm classing.
Maka hap keep period LO. Bare high remeti se ore retlo jaiva ko
yo.
That's okay. Yo,
imagine. Okay. Never have I ever been in a fight. What's this? Are you sure? You sure?
you sure?
No, I have been in a fight. I was in primary school and I went trapper. Yo,
Bauvereki.
Comme primary.
Kimang wa penal bitabe.
Kimucho to me and sharp up. Okay, this other girl. I don't even know who it started as one fight yet. Tell us one fight and like you very like you Bantrapa. What I remember is that Bantrapi.
Yeah, for shame. How to go high?
Next. Nakilwana, why sounds like Kilano School?
Buta Mamori, Beuloko School. It
makes you go and in trouble. No, I don't have to fight. Why? Mama can avoid. Walk away. So like you fight. The fact that you entertain the fight.
Ukasim jet.
Okay. Never have I ever lied to get money.
nna ke ba boditse ko hae ke re ko sekolong ba nyaka tšhelete ya dibuka ya go reka dibuka ke re ko varsity a be ke nyaka go reka juicenyana tseo
o be mnate
bana ba bangwe ba apara hantle nna that's the reason ke leletse maka.
Okay, never have I ever manipulate someone to do wrong. I don't remember. I have not. All right. I'm ready. Okay. Okay. Never have I ever dated. What's this word again?
Career person.
Okay, lady, lesbian. Okay. Never have I ever dated a Korean person.
I will correct the spellings.
I have. And now I have. There was this girl, go college, she was lesbian, obvious. Oh, her name was Pauline, but Bamubita Brapol.
Yeah.
Like Ali lesbian element.
Yeah.
Plella wangata. Lena kare kamrata, ke tsebone ke rata marka kamrata lena. And then we started dating how o tla founela and check hore ke jwang, and then and tlisetse lunch like nearly girlfriend.
Relationship is serious.
But it wasn't that serious because as I'm here the next is serious. Okay. Never have I ever been in nightclub. Ever. Why? It's not like go villaging now, not club.
I did club go guy. Lipopo club, not tavern, not club. Mara, I never been in a tavern.
Like ever. Oh, how right or it's not true. No, I have so many times. So yeah. Never have I seen.
Boyo groove affair.
Neglo chiva fela. Chinweb jwala. And enjoy good music. Yeah, that's it.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Never have I ever been dumped.
I wasn't dumped, Sham.
I have not.
I never experienced it. And like in oh,
you mentioned nothing about dump. The feeling. As a whole.
Why equally
okay,
dumped,
I think
dumped.
We have came to the end of our questions. Yeah. So that was our game.
Catch us on our next episode. We are still trying to get there.
Same time, same place.
Same time, same place. Because of me.
Okay, bye guys.